People love Cool Runnings, and I have to admit, I do as well. It's an entertaining, feel-good movie that captured the spirit of what we did. But if you're wondering how accurate it was, let's just say this. No, we did not train by actually pushing a makeshift sled down a steep hill in Jamaica. Like, nobody does that, right? In reality, though, the journey was much tougher. Just imagine this. 4 guys from Jamaica, a country with no snow, no ice, and absolutely no history in winter sport, deciding to compete in one of the most dangerous high-speed events at the Winter Olympics. We had zero experience, no blueprint, no fancy training facilities. We were learning on the fly, figuring out the sport one mistake at a time. And trust me, there were plenty of mistakes. We trained with whatever we had, wherever we could, running on sand, pushing a makeshift sled on a flat concrete surface on the army base in Kingston. You name it, we did it. And when we finally got to the ice, we realized just how little we knew. Crashing was part of the learning process. But here's the thing. Every time we crashed, we got back up, analyzed what went wrong, and adjusted. We embraced failure as part of the growth, and that's where I would say Hollywood definitely got it right. The heart of our story was never about winning medals. It was about perseverance, persistence. It was about a team of underdogs proving that with enough grit, adaptability, and teamwork, you can step into any challenge, even one that seems completely outside of your comfort zone, and in the process, make an impact. Now, isn't that what businesses and teams face today? Markets shift, technology evolves, challenges arise that no one saw coming. The companies that succeed, though, aren't always the ones with the most resources. They are the ones that learn fast, adapt to the unexpected, and work together to push forward. So the lesson of Cool Runnings then isn't just a sports story, it's a business playbook. If you're willing to embrace the struggle, commit to the process, and keep on pushing, you'll find a way to win, no matter the odds. So keep on pushing.